Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're looking at FUV, which is Archimoto. Archimoto makes little EVs, not SUVs yet. So they're fun little vehicles, but they took a bit of a hit last week. Not sure why. They were one of the darlings here of short sellers, and it made the Insider Monkey short seller list. I guess it's one of the best stocks to buy if you want to bet on Wall Street Bets getting back into this stock. So it looks like Wall Street Bets did pump it up a bit, and that's why we got the little pump from 14 to 18, almost $19. But they have earnings coming up here on the 16th, so not sure how that's going to go. It could go either way. I know they've been investing heavily into production. They've been producing a lot for some specialized orders that they have for some destination location vehicles, and that's pretty interesting. You can go out there, you can rent them like San Diego or some of the beach communities, like almost like a take a tour of the town type thing. So it's pretty good, right? So sorry about that. Battery's a little low on the computer. Had to plug it in. Alright, anyway, so I think overall, for the long term, their manufacturing model is a good idea with the smaller manufacturing facilities placed throughout and where the point of delivery might be. So that's kind of good, right? Instead of one massive facility like a Tesla mega factory that they're doing, or like Lordstown has a big mega factory, they're doing smaller things. This is good. So it could be a good thing regionally. I'm not sure how it's going to work out. They're doing some massive improvements, enclosing their space, getting some more environmental controls in there. And I think once that happens, they're going to go out into a different market segment and they'll be competing more with like the Teslas. But right now, they might not be there. But it is a really cool vehicle, I have to say that. But for the short term, it doesn't look like it's a good idea to sell any cash covered puts because the stock looks like it could be going down. It might be time to sell some covered calls on shares that I have just to make some income off of them as they go down. And then once the stock turns around, starts dipping below this 20 and then it turns positive again, and it might be time to buy, right? So it'd be like this, right? Like, okay, it's going to go down, 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 bam. You hit a buy signal, it's like, okay, time to sell some puts, time to buy shares, whatever, and then ride it up. See what happens. I'm long-term bullish on this stock. I think it is a $50 stock. Right now, it's probably it's below fair market value. I think it's probably about a $20, $25 stock right now. And I think it was almost there before it got hit. And short sellers probably came in and be like, okay, earnings are coming up. They're not going to do great. Not a lot of orders out there, so slam it. And so we'll see what happens over the next week. On the 16th, today's the 14th, it's on the weekend. Getting all my trades prepared for the next week, and I think this might be a good trade to play the earnings. Not really sure which way to play it, but so be sure to subscribe to the channel and see which way I play this earnings trade. Alright guys? So be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.